What in the hell is this?
Briscoe and Cody Coughlin battling for position, and Coughlin got spun around. But Chase Elliott is going to take the truck to the victory lane for GMS.
Oh shit, forget when it comes to Marsville, tempers will flare.
The second Truck Series win for Chase Elliott. We'll try to go for the sweep tomorrow in a Monster Energy NASCAR Cup race.
He had his hands full getting this win today, that's for sure. He saw her all over him through the middle stages of the race. And a great battle with Christopher Bell.
And I gotta believe at the end of the day,
Uh-oh.
it was a lot of fun for Chase Elliott, but these two guys, I'm not sure how they're going to describe it. Fun's probably not going to be in the list of words for the 13 and Cody Coughlin.
Uh-oh.
That's how you race for. That's how he's got racing for 11th position. And I think Coughlin wants to go explain to Briscoe he didn't like the fact that he got punted on the last turn. But I'll tell you this: Briscoe just got loose. Yeah, they saw that and feel any better. I agree, because that kid did a great job today. Rebounded from 2 laps down and was looking for a career best finish.
Oh shit, that's not good. And we can all know what kind of the outcome of this is this one.
Donuts galore for Chase